In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of making money online. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or start a full-time business, this comprehensive guide is perfect for beginners. So let's get started. The first step in making money online is to choose your niche. This is simply the topic or industry that you want to focus on. Consider your passions, interests, and skills. Research what's popular and profitable and find a balance between the two. Your niche will be the foundation of your online business, so choose wisely. No matter what type of online business you choose, creating valuable content is key. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates. Your content should inform, educate, entertain, or inspire your target audience. Use your unique voice and personality to stand out from the competition. To make money online, you need to have a strong online presence. This means building a website, establishing social media accounts, and creating an email list. These tools will allow you to connect with your audience, promote your content, and sell your products or services. Now that you have your online presence set up, it's time to monetize your business. This can be done through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling products or services. Choose a monetization method that aligns with your niche and audience preferences. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of making money online. Remember, this process takes time, effort, and patience. Stay consistent, continually learn and improve, and most importantly, have fun with it.